2 tons of other combustible materials. The fire temperature soared to over 800 degrees Celsius. During this exercise, Zhongyue Aviation employed the ZY-XF-50 heavy window-breaking projectiles. Rescue materials supply projectiles, hose launchers, and applying tethered hose spraying techniques. The drones were used to extinguish both interior and facade fires. Despite the high-temperature radiation and strong airflow conditions, the drone completed whole rescue and firefighting operations such as tempered glass breaking, supply, and foam spraying to extinguish the fire both inside the room